Hi guys, I'm Dr. Moran Chiamama Saghiv. KIIP by Dr. Saghiv. Knowledge itself is power. KIIP for short. Visit my website www.kiipbydrsaghiv.com for more information, videos, blog posts, practice questions, and much more in Dr. Saghiv's professional dictionary. Follow me on Twitter at KIIP by Dr. Saghiv. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Write comments. Let me know what you thought. Ask questions. Let's talk. And more. This video is going to begin a series of a lot of videos to come about how to analyze motion. And I'm going to jump straight to the bottom line. That will be the basis for all the other videos to come. So in order to create movement in the body, if we simplify it, you need a muscle that will create force and pull. Muscles can only pull. They cannot push. Muscles only pull. They pull on their tendon that's connected to them on the one side and to a bone on the other. So you activate the muscle pulls. Muscles only pull. They're going to pull on their tendon that's going to pull on the bone. The bone moves. Anything connected to the bone moves as well. Muscles, guys, only pull. That's the only thing that they do when it comes to movement. They're creating force, strength, to pull on the tendon. The tendon is connecting between the muscle and the bone. You pull on the tendon, you pull on the bone. That's it. The point where a tendon connects to a bone is called the insertion point. The part that's connected to the muscle, or where the muscle is coming from, is known as the muscle's origin. Muscles always pull away from the bone. So they're gonna pull away from the insertion point. Very simple. That's how we're built, guys. That's how skeletal muscles are built. Okay? So if you follow the tendon, everything will be revealed to you in regards to motion analysis. Everything in motion analysis, everything in analyzing movement, movement, is based on that. Follow the tendon. I'm actually writing right now a book called Follow the Tendon. So hopefully we'll release it soon. Follow the tendon. The tendon will tell you everything you want to know on what's going to happen. Okay? When you pull on a tendon, according to or depending on how the tendon actually connects to the bone, that's another video to come, 3 different major types of movement could happen. You're either going to create linear movement, that's option number 1, or you're going to create diagonal movement, that's option number 2, or you're going to create rotational movement, that's option number 3. Let's recap and simplify. Muscles pull on tendons that pull in turn on the bone. They only pull. Depending on how they connect exactly to the bone, you're either creating linear movement, diagonal movement, or rotation. I'll be uploading and creating more videos over time on how to analyze movement, but you basically got everything you need to be able to analyze movement at the simplest level. Guys, visit my website, www.kiipbydrsaghiv.com. Follow me on Twitter at KIIP by Dr. Saghiv. Subscribe right here. Leave comments. Talk to me. If you have any questions, if you want me to create certain videos and answer certain questions, let me know. Subscribe so you know when I've uploaded new videos. Share with others if you like this video. Dr. Saghiv, I'll see you in other videos. KIIP by Dr. Saghiv. Knowledge itself is power. Bye, guys.